This job portal is very hot and there are jobs being posted on a daily basis. There are lots of job opportunities in this province, so you want to shift your focus on this city in particular. What if I told you Canada just quietly increased immigration slots by over 30% in 2026? Here is the shocking part. This is one province right now where you can move to Canada even without a job offer. Stay with me because I'll show you exactly how it works and why this might be your easiest pathway in 2026. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Esther, and on this channel I break down real practical ways to relocate abroad. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, and for my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Now without further ado, today we are talking about a very hot opportunity in Canada right now, and trust me, you don't want to miss any part of this video. Here is what changed in 2026. Canada increased provincial nominee program slots by over 31%. What does this mean? Provinces now have more power to select immigrants directly. This is where most people get it wrong. Everyone is still focusing on express entry when the real opportunity has quietly shifted to provincial programs. And one province is standing out right now. This province is Saskatchewan. Yes, not Ontario, not Toronto, but Saskatchewan. Now you might be thinking, why Saskatchewan? Here is why. Thousands of nomination slots are now available. In fact, over 4,700 PR slots is currently available in the province of Saskatchewan, and also there are high demands for foreign workers, and most importantly, some pathways do not even require a job offer. Yes, you heard that right. I made a video recently. I'm going to leave the link up here and in the video description, where I explained how you can take advantage of this no job offer pathway to moving to Saskatchewan. So please go ahead and watch that video so you can take advantage of it. Now let me break it down in the simplest way possible. Saskatchewan has a program called the SINP, that is Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program, and there are three major ways to apply. The first pathway is occupation in demand, and this does not require you to have a job offer. Secondly, there is an express entry pathway which will give you 600 points, and that is almost guaranteed PR for you. So once you are selected by this province, you're going to automatically get 600 additional points, which will definitely qualify you for the next express entry draw. And also thirdly, we have job offer stream. You can use this stream to move to Canada if you are able to get a job offer in this province. Now do not skip any part of this video because I'm going to take you to an official job portal in one of the towns under this province where you can start sending in your applications. Now the truth is that Canada is not just looking for anybody. They are targeting specific sectors like the healthcare sector, the tech, including data analyst, skilled trades, agriculture, construction. So if your experience falls into any of this, your chances are already higher than average. So now, like I promised earlier, let's talk about where these jobs actually are. And most of them are in the cities like Saskatoon. And this city is growing fast and has opportunities in healthcare, tech, construction, and agriculture. So guys, this is what the portal looks like. You can see that the occupations have been segmented for you. If you look towards the right side, you can see that the occupation has been segmented into different sectors. So we have the art, culture, recreation, sports. We have business, finance, and admin, health, management, engineers, architects, IT, natural sciences, oil, gas, mining, farming. Then we have processing, manufacturing and utilities, sales and services, social science, education and government, trades, transports, and construction. So you can see the number of job openings that are available for each of these sectors. And you can also view jobs that were posted just within 24 hours, the ones posted within 1 week, and all jobs. So you can see that this job portal is very hot and there are jobs being posted on a daily basis. You can see 5th, 4th, 3rd. So there are lots of job opportunities in this province. So you want to shift your focus on this city in particular, the city of Saskatoon. Go through the job openings and look for the one that best matches your work experience and your qualification. And please try to understand that not all jobs on this platform is for foreigners that are outside Canada. You want to go through the job description to discover if this is open to all or to those that are already in Canada. So let's take a look at one of these opportunities. Now let's see truck driver. The employer name is Avimo Express Incorporation, and you can see the contact email and all of that. So if you go through the job description and you're not sure if you can apply from outside Canada, you can as well reach out to them via the email just to ask them that you saw this opening on this website and you're applying from outside Canada and you want to be sure if they are accepting applications from outside Canada. So if they give you that confirmation, then you can proceed to applying to these job openings. So you can see, in fact, this already gave you a screening question. Are you authorized to work in Canada? Are you available for shift? Are you willing to relocate for this position? Do you have experience working in this field? Do you have the required certification listed in the job opening? Do you live near the job location? And all of this. And these are the benefits. Health benefits like dental plan, disability benefit, healthcare plan, paramedic service coverage, vision care benefit, and all of that. So to view the full posting on Job Bank, then it's going to take you to Job Bank where you can view the job description and every other detail you need about this job. And you can also proceed to the career page of the organization. Please ensure that the job you're applying to is a permanent employment and full-time, just as this. So you can see 6,000 to 8,000 monthly to be negotiated, and you have to work for 40 to 50 hours per week. So you can start as soon as possible. And these are the requirements. You must understand English language, of course, and the minimum educational requirement is secondary school certificate or equivalence. Then you need 1 to less than 7 months work experience, and you must complete, and work must be completed at a physical location. So you're not going to work remotely. You have to be in Canada, because of course I understand the fact that most of my subscribers are outside Canada. So now let's go down here where you can confirm if you can apply from outside Canada. So you can see that for this job opening you cannot apply if you are outside Canada. This job is for either a Canadian citizen, a permanent resident of Canada, a temporary resident of Canada with a valid work permit. Do not apply if you're not authorized to work in Canada. The employer will not respond to your application. The mistake most people make is that they just go on job platforms and apply, and that could be the reason why you're not getting selected, because the job is not even meant for you because you're not within Canada. But this is going to tell you straight off if you can apply or not, so you will not waste your time. So if you are able to get 1 to 5 job openings that matches your qualification and experience, that allows you to apply from outside Canada, guys, just put in your best into those openings. All you need is just one of these employers to say yes to you, and you'll find your way into Canada using any of the provincial nominee program pathway to get your permanent residency. All you need to do right now is to go through that job portal, check the one that matches your experience, check the ones that matches your profile, and check if they want you to apply, especially if you're applying from outside Canada. If you're able to confirm that, then you can go ahead to apply. If you're not sure, reach out to them via email. So if they are okay with that proposal, they will ask you to go ahead, and if not, you have to keep looking until you're able to get the ones that are actually recruiting from outside Canada. Guys, put in your best, do your due diligence. So the next video I'm going to be posting, hopefully I'm going to share with you how you can develop a standard Canadian format resume so as to start applying for this job, because your resume is very important It sells you, it tells your recruiter who you truly are, and you have to make it look attractive enough to get you this job offer. So till I see you in my next video, if you have any question, drop it for me in the comment section. If you want me to do any video on any topic, also drop it for me in the comment section. Thank you and bye. See you in my next video.